So you're thinking about moving to Jacksonville, Florida, but you'd really like to live in one of the more settled neighborhoods here in Jacksonville, here in Duval County. Well, today I'm in the Ortega neighborhood of Jacksonville, Florida, and I'm in Seminole Park. And if you look behind me and all around, you see these amazing, huge, towering oak trees. These are throughout Ortega. They're everywhere like this. And this park that I'm in is called Seminole Park. And if you look back this way, there's the Ortega River, which flows into the St. Johns River. And Ortega is basically like an island. Highway 17 runs north and south, and that's the main thoroughfare north and south on and off of the Ortega area here in Jacksonville, Florida. The median price point in Ortega is going to be, for a home, single-family home, $625,000. That's as of the taping of this video. There are, other, price points below $625,000. Again, that's the median, that's the midway price point. We are going to take you on a tour through 3 different price points within Ortega. I'm also going to show you a few parks, which of course this is Seminole Park. And I wanted to flip the camera around so you can see this. That is a bat box. I don't know if you've ever seen one. It's a home for bats. Anyway, we're gonna get started with our tour right now. Ortega is the top neighborhood of Jacksonville, Florida. It's located south of downtown Jacksonville on a peninsula off the western bank of the St. Johns River. Ortega is one of the wealthiest neighborhoods in all of Jacksonville and is a location of many historic homes and buildings. You can see on the map that Ortega is split from Ortega into just Ortega to the east of Highway 17 and then Ortega Forest to the west of Highway 17. The squares on the map depict the St. Johns River, which is the largest body of water, and then to the west of the peninsula of Ortega is the Ortega River. So essentially, Ortega is surrounded by water on all sides, giving you beautiful scenic vistas. The circle depicts, again, the peninsula area of Ortega, and in the square is Jacksonville Naval Air Station. Ortega is only 10 minutes from Jacksonville Naval Air Station. Also, Ortega is only 30 minutes from Jacksonville International Airport. Now we're going to get things started with this quaint concrete block and brick charmer right here. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, 1,059 square feet, built in 1953. The price on this one is $349,900. Now the fact that it has 2 bathrooms might not seem like a big deal to you, but I can tell you that in areas up in Riverside and Murray Hill, where they have a lot of these bungalows, to have a second bathroom is really a gold mine. And another gold mine in this area are the hardwood trees. This reminds me so much, this area, of Atlantic Beach. Of course, we're on the river and not, at the beach, which is of course totally different, but there's a hammock of hardwood trees throughout this community, and it's just a super solid area and neighborhood as far as, it seems like people really keep up with their homes around here and really value living here in this area, in this community. So we're gonna put up some photos from Realtor.com so you can see what the inside of this one looks like. Let's go. Next, I want to show you this amazing home. Look at that majestic oak. Incredible, right? This one is $750,000. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home, 2,356 square feet, and it's built in 1919. Amazing home, amazing neighborhood, and of course we're just very close to the St. Johns River, just on the other side over there. We're also very close to Stockton Park. We're going to put up some photos from Realtor.com. Let's go. Now for the grand finale, I want to show you this amazing home behind me here. This home goes for $2,390,000. It's a 6-bedroom, 5-bathroom, 2 half bathrooms. It's 7,341 square feet, and it's relatively recently built for the Ortega area. It's built in 1993. So beyond me, you can see that water shining back there. That's the Ortega River. So again, the St. Johns River, when it comes in, it splits and the Ortega River is formed. So they have a beautiful view of this water, boat dock, and of course, quite a large lot that this home is on as well. We're gonna put up some pictures from Realtor.com, cycle through those so you can get a good idea of what this one looks like inside. Let's go. I did want to add that we are actually on an island that is an offshoot of Ortega. Ortega is an island, so this is an island off of an island. If that gives you any idea of the value of the real estate over here. Here we go. I hope you enjoyed today's tour of the Ortega neighborhood here in Jacksonville, Florida. If you have any questions about any of the price points of any of the homes that I showed you, or you're interested in any insight further into the community and the neighborhoods, reach out to me. I'm always happy to answer any of your questions. My contact information is in the description as well as the comment section below. And if you enjoyed today's video and you'd like to get some more insight and follow along as the videos get released, please feel free to subscribe and join the Living in Jacksonville, Florida tribe. And until next time, I hope to see you around Jax.